Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can clear Firefox and Google Chrome browser history and cookies, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can do that. So let's start it first with our Firefox browser. So if we are going to clear the cache and cookies of our browser, this can help our browser to increase its download speed or also fix any issues that it is facing. So first is we're going to search for Firefox best match. Go ahead and click that. Now here in the Firefox window, you need to locate the three lines. This one, you can find that in the top right corner. This is the open application menu. Now you have to click on that. In the list of options right here, you have to look for settings. This one, you have to click on that. Then here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on privacy and security. Then under privacy and security, you'll find this cookies and site data. Your stored cookies, site data, and cache are currently using 19.3 MB of disk space. So you might have more than 19.3 MB of your Firefox browser. Now you have to click on clear data. Then you will be asked when. Click on this drop down menu. Now you have choices right here: last hour, last 2 hours, last 4 hours since 12 a.m. and everything. Now to summarize all of the first 4 options, you have to click on everything. Then history checked. Cookies and site data checked, temporary cached files and pages checked, and site settings checked, and finally click on clear. So once done, simply close your Firefox browser and then let's do it for the Google Chrome browser. So in the Windows search bar, type Chrome, best match, double click. Then here in your Google Chrome browser, you need to locate the three dots. You can find that in the top right corner. This is to customize and control Google Chrome. Scroll down and look for settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. And on the left pane in the list of options, click on privacy and security. Scroll down and you will find delete browsing data, delete history, cookies, cache, and more. Then you will be asked how you can delete the browsing data. It should be, or it could be basic or advanced. Now you have to go with the advanced. Time range, change this to all time. Browsing history, check. Download history, check. Cookies and other site data, check. Cached images and files, check. Autofill form data and passwords, do not check that. Site settings, checked. Hosted app data, checked. And finally, click on delete data. Once done, simply close your Google Chrome browser. So those are the ways on how you can delete the cache and history for your Firefox browser and your Google Chrome browser. So if sometime or if in times that you want to clear the cookies and cache for your Google Chrome or Firefox, then you already know the method. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.